I wear fragrance every day. I have a whole wardrobe of fragrance. I like how they make me feel. This is why I'm so excited for National Fragrance Day. We're gonna be celebrating with some brand new fragrances.
Wow, that smells so good.
This is Net the Vanille Eau de Parfum. And on the back of the fragrance, it has a little story. So it just talks all about the little notes that it has. Some being vanilla, magnolia, and green tea. If you love a citrus fragrance, you should try the Maker Libertine. This fragrance is inspired by travel and is a very sensual scent. For the person who can't just pick one, check out the Ellis Brooklyn chapter set. This set encourages you to celebrate each chapter of life with a different fragrance. Kayali Yum Pistachio is a very sweet scent. This fragrance has notes of pistachio gelato, marshmallow, and cotton candy. Happy National Fragrance Day!